gonna make cheese sticks. First, let's wash our hands first. We just need cheese, water, and wrapper. So good. The cheese and lemon.
Yes, you get one sheet and then put the cheese.
How about the water?
Yeah, that's the last part. Okay, there. And then you put water here.
Yeah.
Go. Put water here on this part. Some more here. Okay. Now you have it. Right, and then fold. You have to do it tightly. Wait, lang.
How to do
Okay, and then fold on the side. Not so tight. Wait.
Okay.
Oh. Here. Okay. Good. Put on. Alright. And then roll. And then you show it.
Now, yeah. I'll put it in the freezer first. Leave it there for 20 minutes. Hi, Kuya. Today we're gonna make cheese sticks.
Okay, that's enough for you.
When the oil is hot, put a few pieces of cheese sticks. Hey, try now.